The bus journey from Paris to Rome offers travelers a scenic and budget-friendly way to move between two of Europe's most iconic cities. Covering a total distance of 1,105 kilometers, this long-haul route is perfect for those who want to save on airfare and experience Europe by road. On average, the journey takes around 21 hours and 28 minutes, but depending on the operator and route, the fastest buses can complete the trip in just 20 hours and 20 minutes. There are 9 buses scheduled to depart from Paris to Rome, and 3 of them are direct connections, making it easy for passengers to avoid unnecessary transfers. Departure points in Paris are generally well connected to public transport. Most long distance buses depart from Paris Bercy Seine bus station, a major hub located in the southeast of the city and accessible via Metro Line 14 and several local bus routes. Some operators may also depart from Paris, Galigny, or La Défense, so travelers should always check their ticket for the exact departure location. In Rome, buses typically arrive at Roma Tiburtina bus station, which is connected to the city's Metro Line B, regional trains, and several bus lines, making it convenient to continue your journey into the heart of the Eternal City. The average ticket price for this journey is around 165 euros when booked on the day of travel. However, the cheapest available ticket can be found for 151 euros, especially if booked early or during peak of hours. The bus ride itself is typically operated by well-known companies like Flixbus or BlaBlaBus, both of which offers modern coaches equipped with comfortable reclining seats, air conditioning, Wi-Fi, charging ports, onboard restrooms, and ample luggage storage. Passengers can also bring snacks or make use of scheduled rest stops along the way, especially on longer routes. The buses may occasionally stop in cities such as Lyon, Milan, or Florence, depending on the operator and route, giving passengers a glimpse of various European landscapes as they journey south. I hope you like this video. For more videos like that, please like, share, and subscribe this channel.